Professional writing, what is it? What can it do for you? Have you ever heard of the Professional Writing Department at UAB?
I have, but I don't know anything about it.
Can you tell me a little bit about it?
I don't know, it's just that it makes you a better writer, I guess.
Have you ever heard of professional writing?
No. Is that a program?
Yeah, we have it at UAB. Do you know what? Can you tell me a little bit about it?
I don't know anything about professional writing.
Professional writers, are they really professionals? Or are they just English majors in disguise? What does an English major look like to you?
They look like they know what they're gonna do with their life.
That's a good answer. I'm Lane with the Professional Writing Department. What's your major?
Public health.
Public health.
Alright.
What is an English major?
I guess my definition of English major would be, they take a lot of writing class, like a lot of writing class, a lot of English class, literature. So that would be my basic definition of it.
What's your major?
Nursing.
Very good. What career path are you going for?
I'm molecular biology major, hoping to do genetic counseling.
Very cool. Richard, nice to meet you. What's your major?
Undeclared business right now.
Very good. What's your major?
Biology.
Biology. Awesome. Yeah, a lot of professional writers, write for different sort of science and, research organizations. All departments of UAB utilize professional writers for their funding, their research, department growth, and project development. You write for science department.
I do. I write for the Department of Biostatistics. Originally, I was with an outfit called the Section on Statistical Genetics, the SSG, in the Department of Biostatistics. And I still do a good deal of editing for them.
Yeah. So you got into that. How did you get into that? Because you started as a romantic literature poet, right?
Yes, I did. I'd like to think that there was some sort of deliberate connection there. What happened was my kid and one of the scientist guys' kids were in the same daycare.
So the question arises, what can you do with a professional writing degree?
Do you blog to build websites? Are you an avid user of social media? All these things are skills that can be used to help you develop your career in professional writing. So with the relationship between English literature and science writing or professional writing, how does that help, or how are those disciplines related or interconnected?
Well, I can give you a couple of examples. Let me start with a really basic one about the kind of value of English for a scientist, which is why I was hired. The sciences tend to run on grants. Okay, so if you're a scientist, you don't have just 100 rats in a controlled environment in your garage, right? You've got to have some money. You've got to have a lab. You need funding to run a scientific experiment, which means you have to put in a grant, typically to the National Science Foundation or the NIH, the National Institutes of Health. Those grants are accepted at a rate under 10% now, so it's highly competitive.
And I teach, about half of my load is outside of the Department of English. So I teach, I shouldn't say it's outside of the Department of English. I teach all of the SciTech honors students a science writing class, and that's every semester. So it's all about scientific discourse, conventions of science writing. And then I teach a course in engineering communication.
Let us help you develop your interests into attainable goals. We'll help you develop those goals into skills that'll take you far in professional writing field. Here at UAB, knowledge that will change your world.
I've been searching for the golden question.
Where's the writer? Where's the writer?
A beam of light to open my third eye.
I'm Lane with the Professional Writing Department, here with a guy in a hammock. What does an English major look like?
All the answers.